In this video, you will learn how to fix cashapp won't let me send Bitcoin. If cashapp is not letting you send Bitcoin, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Check the Bitcoin balance. Ensure you have enough Bitcoin in your cashapp account to send. Then check your Bitcoin balance by going to the banking tab in the cashapp and selecting Bitcoin. After that, check your Bitcoin address. When sending Bitcoin, make sure you've entered the correct recipient Bitcoin address. Double check you're sending to a valid Bitcoin address, starting with a 1 or a 3 or a BC1. Then, verify the Bitcoin transaction limits. Cashapp has a limit on how much Bitcoin you can send in a given time period. Ensure you're within the sending limits. If you have reached the limit, you may need to wait a few days or weeks or request an increase. Update cashapp. An outdated version of cashapp may cause issues. Ensure that cashapp is up to date by checking updates in your App Store or Google Play Store. Ensure that you've verified your account. Cashapp requires identity verification to send Bitcoin. Ensure you have completed the verification process by providing your ID and other personal details. If you have not done this already, you may be restricted from sending or buying Bitcoin. Confirm your network connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent Bitcoin transactions from going through. Ensure your phone or tablet has a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or mobile data when trying to send Bitcoin. Enable Bitcoin withdrawals. In some cases, you may have not enabled Bitcoin with the withdrawals on cashapp account. Open cashapp and go to the banking tab. After that, tap on Bitcoin and select Enable Withdrawals. Then, follow the prompts to enable Bitcoin withdrawals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.